Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix cannot play title on Netflix issue. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Whenever you receive cannot play title, please try again later issue on your desktop while trying to watch a content on Netflix. Then, here are some fixes you could try. The first thing to do is to restart your device. Press the start button at the bottom of the screen and click on the power button. Click on restart from the expanded menu, and once you restart your system, go back to Netflix and see if that fixes the issue. If that still does not work, then the next thing to do is to check your internet connection. Whenever you receive this kind of an error message, it means that a network connection problem is stopping your device from reaching Netflix. So in order to fix that, check if you are connected to a stable internet. Make sure to be connected to a stable internet connection, and once you are, go back to Netflix by opening up a web browser, select a content to play and see if that fixes the issue. If that does not work, you can easily contact your internet service provider. Once you do that, they will be able to tell you if your modem or your router is set up and working correctly. This usually happens whenever you have a weak internet connection, so once you solve the internet problem, your problem should be solved right away. Those were some of the fixes that you could try whenever you are going through cannot play title issue on Netflix. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.